everyone. Once again, welcome you all to our channel. Today's topic is going to be very enthusiastic as well as knowledge gaining. So, let's start our today's topic. Today, we will talk about personality development. I will highly recommend you all to please watch full video as I will also share some special tips about how to improve personality development. And also there is a special surprise for you all. So let's get started with our today's video. Personality development. Let us see what personality development means. Personality, the word which defines you exactly who you are. It is very important for us to know who we are, to know our goals and our aim of life. Why personality development is very important in one's life? Let us know about that. We all know that in today's era, it is very important for us to connect with people, as connection is the only way by which we can share our thoughts and ideas with others. We all know that it just takes a couple of seconds for audience to judge about us by just looking at you. So, if someone asks me, does the first impression matters? So, my answer will be yes to them. Not completely, it cannot be your last impression, but yes, it matters a lot and affects people's life also. Now, let us move on to discuss why the personality development is necessary. We all know that in today's world, everyone wants to be a boss. They want name, fame, their own recognition, identity, and for that, you must be a representative, because only a good representative can represent himself or herself in a better situation or in any situation. You will have ability to control others' mind, manipulate them, and easily you can deliver your message to them, which is very important in today's life. Next is to boost your confidence. To boost your confidence and make it up to the another level, personality development is very necessary. Also, it helps us to gain a person growth. Now let's discuss some special tips that how you can improve your personality development. So, in today's video, we will discuss top 15 tips which will help you to develop your personality in a better way. First one is the behavior and manner. Behavior. It can be called as actions you take based on your situation, and manner depicts the professionalism in you. Having empathy towards others is the best sign of developing personality in you. Second is the voice modulation and speaking. While representing others or communicating with others, you must keep focus on the tone, your clarity of voice, the pace and the volume of your voice. Next is the listening. We all know that a good listener is always a better speaker. If we will listen properly and clearly about others' talk, we will discuss about them or think about them in a clear manner. That's why listening is also a very important tip for developing personality. Next is the bonding skill. Bonding skill means connecting with the people. Connection builds you a strong profile. We must have ability to connect with each and everyone. Exploring others people or exploring new places helps you to connect with new people and also help you to know about what they think, what their ideas is. So bonding skill is also a very key skill. Next is the self-awareness and self-knowledge. We all know that self-knowledge in today's era is a must. Having known about the current scenarios, present situation gain you a plus point. Next is the understanding your responsibility. We all know that a responsible person is always a good leader. Leadership quality is also a good quality which will help you to gain a better and a good person and will help you to achieve success in your life. Be respectful. We all know that each and everyone, whether it's a child, it's a man or a woman, everyone wants respect because respect is the only way to depict the maturity in person. It depicts our custom, our humanity. Next is the fashion. Dressing sense is very important. We must dress according to the occasion. Be decision maker and solution oriented. Be decision maker means we must know how to take a decision about any situation. Also, solution oriented means you must develop your skill in such a manner that you become capable of providing optimized solution in any situation or a risky solution too. Next is a very important tip for improving personality. That is the communication. As I already discussed in my previous video about the communication skill, in today's era, it is must because communication is the only way by which we can share our ideas with others. That's why it's too important. In each and every field, it is used. Body language. We all know body language depicts a professionalism in us. Our posture, our dressing sense, and many more. There are many more things in body language which one must keep focus on to improve personality. Stay positive and spread positivity. We all have heard about the energy transformation, but we have heard that in devices. But in today's world, if we look about, it is also applicable to person. A positive person will reflect the positivity in its environment. So, if you will stay positive, there will be an aura created around you in a positive manner, which will attract others to you. Next is the psychology. You may be confused that why I have included the psychology as the major tip for personality development. But without this, person even cannot think. It indirectly affects one mind. Like overthinking, it's also related to psychology. Also, one must keep to audience also. You must lighten the mood before you start your presentation or communicating with others. Know enough about the following topic. We all know that people are always interested to talk about the topics which are their current issues like health, current affairs, sports. These all are very familiar topics which one must keep on focus because these are topics in which people are mostly interested to talk about and start a conversation. These are some tips to improve your personality. I have discussed these tips in very short. If you want more details, please do comment me in the comment box. Now, let us see the benefits of personality development. We all know that there are two faces of each coin, pros and cons. But personality development is the only which has only the benefits. There are no cons about that. Now, let us see some more benefits about the personality development. It helps you in clearly defining your goals, helps you to connect with people, gain self-knowledge, and also good personality people is seen as respected people in society. It will give you a unique personality which one must follow, help you to boost your confidence and create a positive environment to around you. The best example, if you want to see, of personality development is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is the best set an example of the personality development. He knows in what matter what to talk and what must not to talk. He is an ideal for all of us. We must follow him. So with this, I would like to end my video. Hope you all enjoyed today's video on personality development. Also, let me know in comment box which among the following tips you like the most and want more brief discussion on that. Also, the big surprise is that from today onwards, we are going to start a new series, that is Brain Booster, in which you will get different kinds of questions to trick your tricky mind. So now let's close the video and I will wait for the comment on brief discussion about any of the topic. Thank you.